In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with your Mailchimp campaigns. This integration is essential for anyone looking to optimize their email marketing strategies by gaining deeper insights into their audience's behavior and engagement. So let's dive right in. First, it's important to understand why this integration is beneficial. By linking Google Analytics with Mailchimp, you'll be able to track how recipients interact with your emails once they arrive on your website. This will help you measure campaign effectiveness by analyzing metrics such as conversion rates, user behavior, and more. With these insights, you can fine-tune your future campaigns to better meet the needs of your audience. To get started, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns section of your dashboard. This is the central hub where all your email marketing activities are managed. Now go ahead and find the specific campaign that you'd like to integrate with Google Analytics. If you haven't created a campaign yet, you may want to set one up or choose an existing one that you wish to analyze further. Next, locate the Integrations option. This is typically found within the campaign settings page. Once you click on Integrations, you'll see a list of available integrations that Mailchimp supports. What you'll want to do here is search for Google Analytics. While this might seem straightforward, it's always good practice to double-check that you select the correct option. After finding Google Analytics in the search results, go ahead and click the Integrate button next to it. At this stage, you might be prompted to sign into your Google account, especially if you haven't linked these services before. Ensure you are signing into the Google account that has the analytics property you wish to track. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions to access your Google Analytics data. This step is crucial for ensuring that the data from your Mailchimp campaigns can flow seamlessly into your Google Analytics account. Once integrated, you should see a confirmation or success message indicating that the integration is complete. To verify and ensure everything is working correctly, navigate over to your Google Analytics account. Find the account and property associated with your website, and check if the Mailchimp campaign data is appearing as expected. To make the most out of this integration, I recommend exploring the various reports and analytics dashboards available in Google Analytics. Take some time to get familiar with how data is presented so you can utilize these insights effectively. This might include monitoring traffic sources, user journeys, and conversion paths originating from your email campaigns. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Google Analytics with your Mailchimp campaigns. This powerful combination will provide you with the data-driven insights you need to enhance your marketing efforts and achieve better results. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital marketing strategies.